In this lesson, we are going to pronounce others 7 Ge'ez alphabets. These 7 others Ge'ez letters are derived from the original base consonants of Ge'ez scripts. Originally, they were designed for the ancient Ge'ez, but today they are used in Amharic and other modern Ethiopian language. Let's start from the first one, Sha. Sha, Shu, Shi, Sha, She, Shi, Sho. This is originated from one of the main consonants of Ge'ez alphabet, Sa. Now, by adding horizontal line above Sa, by adding this horizontal line, it became Sha. So, in the International Phonetic Alphabet System, it is written and symbolized like this, Sha. In English, sound equivalent we have as example Shu. This is the second variant of Sha family, Shu. Also, we have a sheep, She. Now, the third variant of Sha family. Shine, Sha. This is the fourth variant of Sha family. Shame, and so on. Moving on the next one, Cha, Cha, Chu, Chi, Cha, Che, Che, Cho. This is originated and taken from one of the main consonants of Ge'ez alphabet, Ta. And adding one horizontal line above Ta, it became Cha. In the IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet, it has such symbol. And as example, in English, we have church. Now, church. When we say church, we have two families of cha in other Ge'ez alphabets. Cha, the first variant, and again at the last of the church, Chi. This is the first variant Cha, and again the sixth variant Chi. Now we are going to pronounce Nya, Nya, Nu, Ni, Nga, nge, nye, ngo. This is taken from n. The main consonant is alphabet n, and by adding horizontal line on the upper part of n, it became now ng, ng. In the phonetic symbol, it has such symbol, and as example, lasagna, a well-known Italian dish, lasagna. Nga. This nga is the fourth variant of nya family. Nga, nga. Moving forward, let's pronounce ha. Ha, hu, khi, kha, khe, he, ho. This is taken from original main consonant of this alphabet, k. And from k, now by adding a horizontal line on the upper part of k, we get ha. And in the IPA system, it has such symbol, and there is no similar sound in English. Mainly Arabic sounds used it, like Khalid in Arabic name. This fourth variant of kha. And moving forward, je, ju, ji, ja, je, je, jo. This is taken from the. From the, by adding horizontal line on the upper part of its left and its right side, it became sh. Other is alphabet, and in the international phonetic alphabet system, it is signed like this. And as example, we have a measure. This is the first variant, j, measure. And again, we have as example vision. This j The last word of region, J, is the sixth variant, J. Next, J, J, Ju, Ji, Ja, J, J, Jo. This other Ge'ez alphabet is derived from the main consonant the out of 26 Ge'ez alphabet, the adding this sign is downward perpendicular. By adding downward perpendicular on the we have now J. And in the international phonetic alphabet, it has such a sign. And in English sound equivalents, you have as example judge, 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 J, again G, J, the first variant, and G, sixth variant. Also, as an example, jam, jam is fourth variant, ja. Now, at last, we have ch, chu, chi, cha, che, ch, cho. This is unique feature of Ethiopian language, ch.